मेरा नाम है अरविंद बीजी और वी आर PWD contractors. We do roads and buildings in Karnataka, in and around Bangalore and Ramnagar. Recently we have purchased Mahindra Roadmaster G75 for the purpose of doing works in PMGSY department for the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana works. It's a good performing vehicle. पहले हम लोग different graders use कर रहे थे on higher basis because this is the first grader we have purchased. The cost of the grader was really high earlier, so we could not afford to purchase those graders. Since Mahindra offered this grader at a very good price in Hexacon, that is for around 33 point something was the price, and it was a good vehicle. We thought of purchasing it and experimenting it. It's been a good performer. I would not compare it with the big grader, but to do small works, that is PMGSY works and state highway works, it does its job for leveling purposes. And the performance what it gives is at least 50% it achieves compared to the full-fledged grader. So 50% of the work is done at a 30% cost, and the fuel consumption is also lesser compared to the big graders.